In today's lecture, we will discuss how to make a good CV or resume. Let's start.
Crafting a professional CV or resume is a crucial skill for career advancement. To build a compelling document that captures the attention of recruiters, follow this structured approach. Part 1 of our lecture: choose the right format. Format A. Reverse chronological. This is the most common format, listing your work history from newest to oldest. It is ideal if you have a solid, consistent work history in your field. Format B. Functional. Focuses on your skills and abilities rather than chronological experience. This works well if you are changing careers or have gaps in your employment history. Hybrid. A blend of both, highlighting skills first, followed by professional history. Part 2 of our lecture: essential sections. A. Contact information. Include your full name, professional email address, phone number, and a link to your LinkedIn profile. Keep it clean and at the top of the page. B. Professional summary. A brief 3 to 4 sentence paragraph that summarize who you are, your top achievements, and how you bring value to the employer. C. Work experience. List your professional roles. Use bullet points to describe your responsibilities and, more importantly, your achievements. Use action verbs. Example: managed, developed, increased, and quantify your results whenever possible. Example: increased sales by 20%. D. Education. Include your degrees, the institution names, and graduation years. If you are early in your career, you can list relevant coursework or honors. E. Skills. A targeted section listing hard skills. Example: software proficiency, project management, and soft skills. Example: communication, leadership, relevant to the job description. Part 3 of our lecture: tailoring and optimization. Modern companies use applicant tracking systems or ATS to filter resumes. To ensure your CV passes these filters: Filter 1. Use keywords. Carefully read the job description and mirror the specific terminology and skills they are asking for in your own document. Filter 2. Clean formatting. Avoid complex graphics, tables, or columns that might confuse parsing software. Use standard headings like experience and education. Keep it concise. Ideally, aim for 1 to 2 pages. Focus on quality over quantity. Final review. Part 4 of our lecture. Proofread. Typos and grammatical errors are the quickest way to get rejected. Read it out loud or have someone else review it. Part 5 of our lecture. PDF format. Always save and send your resume as a PDF unless requested otherwise to preserve your formatting across all devices. A good CV is a living document. Update it periodically as you gain new certifications, finish projects, or take on more responsibility in your professional life.